Hey everyone, and welcome! Today, we're diving deep into the amazing world of coconuts, a tropical treasure trove of health benefits. You might know it from its delicious water or its versatile oil, but the coconut is quickly gaining recognition as a true superfood. From ancient medicinal practices to modern scientific research, the coconut's potential to enhance our well-being is undeniable. From the flesh to the milk and even the oil, every part of the coconut offers something unique and beneficial. Coconuts are packed with essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants, each playing a vital role in supporting our overall health. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, strengthen your immune system, or improve your skin, coconut has something to offer. To truly unlock the power of coconut, it's important to understand its key components. First, we have medium-chain fatty acids, which are unique fats that our body can easily digest and utilize for energy. Lauric acid, another key player, boasts potent antimicrobial and antiviral properties, while medium-chain triglycerides offer a quick source of energy and have been linked to improved brain function. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals like iron, potassium, and vitamin C, all contributing to coconut's impressive nutritional resume. From boosting brain health to promoting heart health and even enhancing your skin's natural glow, coconut's versatility knows no bounds. So, stay tuned as we unlock the incredible power of coconut and discover how you can incorporate this tropical treasure into your daily routine for a healthier, happier you. Let's start by diving into the fascinating world of medium-chain fatty acids. Unlike long-chain fatty acids found in most other fats, medium-chain fatty acids are easily absorbed and transported to the liver, where they're quickly converted into energy. This rapid conversion makes them an excellent fuel source for our bodies, particularly for our brains. Studies have shown that medium-chain fatty acids can improve memory recall in individuals with mild cognitive impairment and even show promise in supporting those with Alzheimer's disease. They're converted into ketones, which act as an alternative energy source for the brain when glucose levels are low. The medium-chain fatty acids in coconut can help to bridge this energy gap, providing the brain with the fuel it needs to function optimally. And it's not just about improving memory. Medium-chain fatty acids have also been linked to improved focus, concentration, and overall cognitive performance. Next up, we have lauric acid, a powerful compound found abundantly in coconut oil. When we consume lauric acid, our bodies convert it into monolaurin, a substance known for its ability to fight off harmful pathogens. Monolaurin works by disrupting the cell membranes of bacteria, viruses, and even fungi, effectively neutralizing their ability to cause infection. This makes coconut oil, with its high lauric acid content, a valuable ally in supporting our immune system. Studies have shown that lauric acid can effectively combat a wide range of pathogens, including those responsible for common infections like staph infections, yeast infections, and even the flu. However, incorporating coconut oil into your diet could provide an extra layer of defense against those pesky bugs. Whether you're using it in cooking, adding it to smoothies, or applying it topically, lauric acid's potent antimicrobial properties make coconut oil a natural defender for your body. Finally, let's not forget about the unsung heroes of coconut, polyphenols. These powerful antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells and contribute to aging and various diseases. Polyphenols act like scavengers, neutralizing these free radicals and preventing them from causing harm. Coconut, particularly its flesh and oil, is a good source of various polyphenols, each with its unique set of benefits. Some of these polyphenols have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. By incorporating coconut into your diet, you can harness the power of these potent antioxidants and support your body's natural defense mechanisms. Now let's talk about a concern that affects millions worldwide: blood sugar control. If you're looking to manage your blood sugar levels naturally, coconut can be a valuable ally. The MCFAs in coconut, particularly those medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, are digested and absorbed differently than other types of fat. Instead of being stored as fat, MCTs are rapidly used by the liver for energy. This unique metabolic pathway means that MCTs have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Improved insulin sensitivity means your cells are better able to utilize glucose efficiently, preventing sugar spikes and crashes. However, incorporating coconut into a balanced diet that's low in refined carbohydrates and sugars can be a beneficial step towards better blood sugar management. Whether you're pre-diabetic or living with type 2 diabetes, coconut's unique nutritional profile can play a supportive role in your journey towards better health. Coconut's surprising benefit. Despite being rich in saturated fat, coconut can be good for your heart. Lauric acid in coconut raises HDL, the good cholesterol. HDL helps remove excess cholesterol, reducing heart disease risk. Choose unrefined coconut oil and consume in moderation. Blood pressure and beyond, coconut's holistic approach. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a silent killer, often going unnoticed until it causes serious health problems. The good news is that coconut can play a role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. One way it does this is through its rich potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps to counter the negative effects of sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure. Coconut water, in particular, is a great source of potassium, making it a refreshing and hydrating way to replenish electrolytes and support healthy blood pressure. By incorporating coconut into a holistic approach to health that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep, you can support your body's natural mechanisms for maintaining healthy blood pressure and promoting overall well-being. Soothing the stomach. Coconut for gastric health. Let's move on to another crucial aspect of our well-being: gastric health. If you've ever experienced digestive discomfort, you know how disruptive it can be to your daily life. The lauric acid in coconut, which we discussed earlier for its antimicrobial prowess, also shines when it comes to gut health. Lauric acid has been found to combat harmful bacteria in the gut, including those that can cause inflammation and digestive issues. Furthermore, coconut oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help to soothe the lining of the digestive tract, reducing irritation and promoting healing. Incorporating coconut oil into your diet can be as simple as adding a tablespoon to your smoothies or using it in cooking. Joint support: coconut for arthritis and inflammation. Now, let's talk about joint health, an area where coconut's anti-inflammatory properties truly shine. Arthritis, a common condition that affects millions worldwide, is characterized by joint pain, stiffness, and inflammation. The anti-inflammatory compounds found in coconut, particularly those polyphenols we discussed earlier, can help to reduce inflammation in the joints, providing relief from pain and stiffness. Studies have shown that coconut oil, when applied topically, can penetrate deep into the skin and reach the affected joints, providing localized relief. Massaging warm coconut oil into the affected areas can help to reduce pain, swelling, and stiffness. Remember, consistency is key. Make coconut oil a regular part of your diet and self-care routine to experience its long-term benefits for joint health. Weight management and hydration. Coconut's dual role. Let's move on to another area where coconut can make a difference: weight management. If you're watching your weight, you'll be glad to know that coconut can be a helpful tool in your journey. Remember those MCTs we talked about earlier? Well, they play a crucial role here too. MCTs have been shown to boost metabolism and increase feelings of fullness, which can help to reduce overall calorie intake. Studies have even shown that consuming MCT oil can lead to greater weight loss compared to other types of fats. Coconut meat, while calorie-dense, is also rich in fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating. So, whether you're incorporating coconut oil into your diet, snacking on coconut meat, or sipping on refreshing coconut water, remember that coconut can be a delicious and supportive part of a balanced approach to weight management. Coconut for skin health. Coconut, with its nourishing properties, has earned a special place in natural beauty. It helps soften and smooth the skin by trapping moisture, beneficial for dry, flaky, or eczema-prone skin. Rich in antioxidants, it protects the skin from damage. Taming the flame, coconut's anti-inflammatory power. We've touched upon coconut's anti-inflammatory properties throughout this video, but let's delve a little deeper into how they benefit our skin. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or irritation, but chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on our bodies, including our skin. Coconut oil, with its rich concentration of anti-inflammatory compounds, can help to tame the flame and soothe irritated skin. Lauric acid, in particular, has been shown to possess potent anti-inflammatory effects. When applied topically, coconut oil can penetrate deep into the skin, delivering these anti-inflammatory agents directly to the source of inflammation. Whether you're dealing with a sunburn, a bug bite, or a chronic skin condition, coconut oil can be a soothing and effective natural remedy. Our skin is home to a diverse ecosystem of microorganisms, some beneficial and some potentially harmful. When the balance of this ecosystem is disrupted, it can lead to skin infections and other issues. Coconut oil, with its impressive antimicrobial arsenal, can help to restore balance and keep harmful microbes at bay. Lauric acid, once again, takes center stage with its potent antimicrobial properties. It has been shown to effectively combat a wide range of bacteria, viruses, and fungi that can cause skin infections. The antimicrobial properties of coconut oil make it a valuable tool for preventing and treating skin infections. Incorporating coconut oil into your daily skincare routine can provide an extra layer of protection against harmful microbes, keeping your skin healthy and infection-free. Wow, what a journey we've been on, exploring the incredible world of coconut and its remarkable health benefits. From boosting brain power to enhancing skin health, it's clear that this tropical treasure deserves a prime spot in our kitchens and medicine cabinets. The coconut revolution is here, and it's time to embrace it. Coconut's true potential is being recognized worldwide. As research continues, we can expect even more exciting discoveries. Wondering how to incorporate this tropical powerhouse into your routine? It's easier than you think. Coconut is versatile, adding flavor and nutrition to culinary creations and self-care. Start with coconut oil, your new kitchen best friend. Swap your regular oil for coconut oil for its subtle sweetness and high smoke point. Use coconut milk in curries, soups, and sauces for a rich, creamy flavor. Add shredded coconut to yogurt, oatmeal, or baked goods for texture and sweetness. As we conclude our exploration of coconut's remarkable benefits, it's important to remember that moderation is key. While coconut offers a wealth of nutrients and health-promoting properties, it's essential to consume it as part of a balanced and varied diet. Listen to your body, experiment with different forms of coconut, and find what works best for you. Consult with your healthcare provider if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. The journey to optimal health is a personal one, and coconut can be a valuable companion along the way. So, go ahead and embrace the power of the coconut. Savor its deliciousness, explore its versatility, and unlock its potential to transform your well-being from the inside out. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thanks for watching.